Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making the best Guyanese stuffed float bake. This bake is stuffed with aloo or potatoes and some saltfish. Alright, the link for the saltfish will be in the description box, so please make sure to check that out. Let's jump right into this video. So here I would have microwave 3 medium potatoes for approximately 7 to 8 minutes, and we're going to peel the skin, and I'm going to actually use a grater to grate the potatoes. You can use a fork. Awesome. Then we are going to add some green onions and some shredded carrots. Right, now we are going to use a fork. Oh, and I did also add some hot chili peppers. Now you can choose to omit the peppers, that is just fine. Mix that out, then you're going to add the saltfish to the potatoes. You do not have to, use them both together. You can use either the saltfish or the potatoes, but I just feel like mixing it up, and it was absolutely amazing. All right, so we're gonna mix that up and set that aside. Taste and adjust your seasoning. Now we are going to make this quick bake. We're gonna add our flour. We're gonna also add our baking powder, our nutmeg and cinnamon, salt, sugar, and we're going to use a whisk and make sure everything is really well incorporated within the flour. All right. Awesome. So to the milk, guys, I did add half teaspoon of yeast. So I used 1 cup of milk and 1 cup of water, and that is actually lukewarm. Then I added 3/4 of a cup of butter to the flour. Mix that in. Then we're going to pour the milk and water mixture with the yeast. This bake is going to be absolutely delicious, guys. After forming the dough, you're going to rub some salt and butter. Let this sit for about 15 minutes. Then we are going to form these little balls here. After 15 minutes, we're going to roll our bake out. Awesome, and now we are going to roll that out so we can stuff our bake, guys. If you guys ever travel to Guyana, make sure to get bake and saltfish. All right. This is a must-have in Guyana, besides the pepper pot, of course. If you guys are watching this video and you have not yet subscribed, I would encourage you to please go ahead and hit that subscribe button, like this video, share this video, and please tell me where you guys are watching this video from so I can shout you out in my next video. Alright, so our bake looks amazing. Then we are going to fry until it is nice and golden brown. perfect every time. Gorgeous, absolutely amazing. Who is ready to dig in? Yep, and this is what it looks like. That potato is so flavorful with the saltfish. So I used a smoked herring. You can use any other saltfish of your choice. It was absolutely delicious. So thank you guys again so much for spending the time with me today. You guys do have a fabulous day. See y'all on the next video. Bye-bye.